Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a little bit of matching with regex. So I'm going to create a subroutine here called match start. So we're going to create a scalar variable called string. I'm going to assign it to www.example.com, and we're going to print off a message to the user telling them what's happening, matching, and we're going to sleep 1 second. Okay, if scalar string, and 1 second, over this little tilde character here, I don't seem to have it on this computer. It doesn't work for some reason, so I had to do a little bit of a workaround here. So we're going to match using this here. And we're going to do this, and we're going to match at the beginning of the string with that there, www dot. That's matching at the beginning of the string there. So let's just neaten that up a little bit. Okay, we're going to print a message to the user, telling the user www.found at start of string or else, if that's not the case, print www dot not found. Okay, so all we have to do now is simply call this subroutine match start. Let's run this. Okay, so it says matching www.found at the start of the string, where it is at the start of the string, but if I kind of change this a little bit, if I put w77 dot, let's see what response we will get. Not found, because it wasn't there. Okay, let's just knock this little bit of code out here, and we're going to match at the end of a string. This is going to be end here, so let's create a little scalar variable here called my string. Okay, assign it to a string matching end of string. I'm going to do character there. Okay, so again we'll print something out telling the user that we are matching. And then we're going to do sleep, which is kind of like a pause. So we're going to pause it for 1 second so it looks like the program is working, and then we're going to use our regex matching character. So we're going to say scalar string. This scalar string matches. Let's have a look. Character. And this here is going to be the end of the string. So if it matches the character at the end of the string, we're going to tell the user that it does. So I'm just going to simply print match, and if it doesn't, I'm simply going to print else. Simply going to print here no match. Okay, let's run that. Unmatched. Okay, have I made a little boo-boo with these curly braces here? Yeah, I think so. I think I've added one too many. Okay, let's run that again. And define subroutine match call 19. So, oh dear. Match end it is. There we go. Match end. Okay, we should be good to go now. Okay, matching. So we've got a match there. So if I just knock this out here, let's just say matching, no match. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe button is below. Make sure you hit it. Thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.